Hello everyone, welcome to the Linux Int. In this video, we are gonna talk about how to install Peek 1.5.1 on Ubuntu 20.04. Peek is a GUI-based animated GIF screen recorder. It has a very simple user interface. Peek allows you to define a screen area to record animated GIF. The prime use of Peek is to record a video of your application features like user interface, or you can record a video to report a bug. Although Peek records the video in the GIF format, however, you can also record the video in MP4, APNG and WebM formats as well. In this video, we will learn to install Peek on Ubuntu 20.04 through official and PPA repositories. So at the time of this video creation, the latest version of Peek is 1.5.1. Without any further ado, let's get started and let's see how to install Peek on Ubuntu. First of all, we are going to discuss the installation of Peek on Ubuntu 20.04 from the official repository. Peek is included in Ubuntu 20.04 official repository and can be installed easily with the apt command. So before installing Peek, it is recommended to update your apt repository cache with the following command: sudo apt update and hit enter. Alright, all the packages are up to date. Now in order to install Peek, write on your terminal sudo apt install Peek and hit enter. Press Y here to continue the installation process. Alright, the Peek is successfully installed. Once the Peek is installed, verify its version with the command peek --version. So Peek 1.5.1 is installed on my Ubuntu 20.04. The Peek application can be launched either from the application menu or from the terminal. So to launch the application from the application menu, click on the application menu button and search here for Peek. So this is the Peek application icon. Click on it and the Peek will be opened. To open it from the terminal, write on the terminal Peek and hit enter. Alright, so this is Peek dashboard. From here, if you click on this option, you can change the video format. For example, I want to record it in MP4. Okay. So Peek will record only this area. In order to change the dimensions or size, you can drag the Peek tool as well. In order to change the height and width, click on this menu button, click on set window size, and from here you can define the width and height. Alright. So now in order to record a video, you have to click on this green colored button, record as MP4, and now it is recording. In order to stop the video, you have to click on this stop button. Now name your video, for example, sample.mp4. Select the destination folder and click on save. So this is how you can use the Peek to record the video. Now let's talk about how we can install Peek on Ubuntu 20.04 through the PPA repository. While installing Peek through PPA, the first step is to add the stable repository. So open your terminal, sudo add-apt-repository. This command is used to add the repository, and now we have to write the name of the PPA repository. So the name of the repository is peek-developers/stable. Alright, so after writing this command, hit enter. Press enter to continue. Alright, so once the PPA repository is added, update your apt repository cache, sudo apt update. Alright, now we are ready to install Peek through the PPA repository. So write the command on the terminal, sudo apt install Peek. Although we have installed the Peek through the official repository, if it is not installed on your system, then it will be installed through the PPA repository. To uninstall or remove the Peek from your Ubuntu 20.04, write on your terminal sudo apt remove --auto remove, and now you have to write the name of the application, that is Peek. This command will remove the Peek from Ubuntu 20.04, either it is installed from the official or PPA repository. Press Y here. Alright, the Peak is successfully uninstalled. So I hope you caught my point that how you can install the Peak on Ubuntu 20.04. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video useful. Keep visiting our website linuxint.com for more useful videos like this. Thank you.